already.
I don't
When you
know
sit
what
down on the chair, I will
already.
take off your slippers for you.
Ah, that's so cute.
Should I keep this up or
Creative director, you know.
Tell you.
Alright.
Hi, Ami.
Alright. So, let's shoot today.
Stop bend down here. You're not nervous.
Crap. Take out the lens of choice. See it? Good 35 stay.
Oh, excited!
see? Two people know Pedro. Pedro asked me where the boy there. Mr. Wallace asked me where the boy there.
Yeah.
Why you never ask for the boy there when me that do, man?
This is the Sigma 35 f1.2 for Sony.
Nothing better.
Alright. I'm going to shoot it at 1.2, but I'm going to put on an ND filter. Alright, so it's nice.
I see.
I take a picture on my phone, my cellular. So excited.
Yo, say people like them, you don't want it at your wedding, says it me.
Why? Oh, God!
I'm going to interrupt the shot. Can't do my shoot now.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, I'm using the Sigma Art 35 1.2, and this is the first lens of choice. I have two lenses that I love using for portrait sessions, so let's get this ball rolling.
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, we have two lights right here. We have a key light, which is AD600, and a backlight, which is another AD600. I don't remember the size, softbox. Oh, this you're in a 120, don't it?
120 and 32 inch.
Oh, 120 and a 32 inch. So the 120 is the key light, and the 32 inch is the. Oh, this is nice.
Bad.
This is the backlight. That's nice. With an ND filter. It's so funny that we want to shoot so wide open, but still yet.
So how much stop ND filter is that?
You know something I don't know? No.
Okay, I need a strong ND filter to shoot.
Not really, you know? Just see if this will kick off. That's all. On. It's exposed for the sky.
Yeah, I'm the pose, you know. Pull down the flowers a little bit.
Yo, this look nice already.
Can't see.
This look nice already.
Guys, I want to see it.
Looks so nice already.
Honestly, that was just a test shot.
Yeah, just a test shot.
Nice, Drew. Alright, no bad.
It set a mood. It really set a mood. Hey, don't mess up your makeup, you know. Don't mess up your makeup. Alright, ready now. Alright, so for this, so basically just give me like a natural vibe. So I'm going to tell you to like smell the flowers, you know, feel the atmosphere. Listen to the surrounding.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Your face though.
Guys, it's always good to have a creative director on set, you get me? Because like, they will make sure that the photo or video looks really good, you get me? See me know, you know? I love this.
Yeah.
So feel comfortable.
Pull down, yeah.
Feel comfortable in yourself, yes. Yeah, so basically I want you to just, you know, feel one with nature. You can close your eyes for some. Ah, I love that. Look up to the sky. Yes, love it. Get some of the.
Look, yeah, that's nice. A real smile. Yeah.
Love that. Coming in closer. Nice. Hold it up a little bit. Like turn it so. Let me see which one. I think so. That one here. That one here basically a black
Oh
face.
yeah.
Yeah. So I think you just want to bend a little and it good. So we have Ian on camera right here.
One shot I'm requesting.
Sure. Just tell me which shot you're requesting.
Just I have it on my phone, but it's like a picture of the flower, my stomach, and my tattoo.
Picture of flower, stomach, and tattoo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Nice. Alright, so look to that light right here. Yeah. I love I love it. It looks really nice, yeah.
Ooh.
Love that. Yes. Alright, so coming in closer. So just really getting your face. But I just wanted to like close your eyes and feel nice.
Okay.
Coming in closer. Alright, let me see how this look. Close your eyes, man. Close your eyes, yeah. You give me one to your smile. You can smile together. Yeah, you know, like smile. Ooh, see? Oh, see, no, sorry for smile, man. So that look nice.
Aww.
If you smile, man, keep it.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, keep the smile. Keep the smile. Alright, so I'm going to change angle again. Alright, look out to the lake, or whatever they want to call it. Nice, love that. One more. Oh, I love that. Alright, so I want to get the lake in the background this time. So, I want to smile.
Oh.
Isn't me?
I'm not smiling.
No, but more natural. So when I say just smile,
Okay.
when I talk to you,
Okay.
you're like, you start laughing at me.
Okay.
What were you saying? Right here, so? Alright, so we're at the last location.
No.
Actually, you had this now.
Oh no, it's not the last location. The whole thing about you though.
Yeah, it about me now. You don't never feel it?
I know you're saying.
Alright, so at the last location now. Alright, so I'm just pop up the picture here up on the screen and show you what it looks like. It just look really good. The green in the background. Let me just show it to you. Just to show you what it look like. So this looks really nice. The green in the background. So look, oh wow. Trust me, it's gonna be hard for you to choose these type of photos. Alright, so I'm going for my next favorite focal length. And this is the Rokinon 135 1.8 for Sony. I've been shooting on the Sony A7IV. Let's see how this works out. Alright, so I'm using a 135 natural light. Doesn't look bad at all. Shutter 1250 1.8. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, keep that. Yeah, look to your left. Look to your right. Look to your right. Alright, look to me. Yeah, hold your tummy. I'm just come around somewhere. Turn. The bee's not there now. Turn more this way. So close your eyes, hold your head up, and yes, just like that. Yes, love that. Oh, the carnival song there now, look back. Ah, that's beautiful.
Thanks.
That's so like, let me just tell her.
Alright, so for this thing now, I'm going to add on an ND filter. You get me? There's a sepia. I did the battery dead. So the only thing I hated 135 is the distance. So this is how far I'm at. So I'm actually, yeah, this is full body right now. It's just too dark. Bring on this a bit. Oh, it's too bright. Hold on. Alright, so no, you can stay right there. This is how far I am in order for me to get a full body shot. Pros and cons to using a 135. Because of the distance you have to be from the subject or the person or whatever you're shooting. Alright, that's too dark. But okay, nice test shot. Yeah. Alright. So I'm doing a full body. Right? Yeah, so keep that. Look straight on. Yeah, nice. One more. Love that. Coming in. Yeah, keep that same look right there. Let's change the angle a bit. Nice, yeah. It's 135. I'll move on. So ooh, that's weird. Why is it so bright? Oh crap. So typical like to use flexible. Yeah, there's always that pause when I see the breeze. About to knock over the softbox. All right. So keep that. Close your eyes. Nice, love it. Bring on this a bit. Love that. Let me show you what it looks like.
Wow, this really is nice. Wow, I love that one.
This one?
Yeah.
See,
I wish I hid my brow more. Can I do over that and hide my brow more?
Sure.
I want it to be.
Alright, so this is at 135 full body. I want to get the sky as well. This is nice. Yeah, keep that. I seen your bra strap that is down tied not. Not yeah, the back one. I seen the back one. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine now. Bring around your hair a little bit so you can stay tied it. Yeah, keep that. Love it. Look at me. Yeah. Sure, 135 from Far Road. Okay, so I'm back home, changed my shirt, cool down and everything. And yo, 35, 135, these are my two favorite portrait lens. Reason being, this is the Sigma Art 35 f1.2. And yo, the background separation from this lens is remarkable. So I had the 35 1.4, like the first gen, and yo, did a job. You get me? Got the job done. But the reason why I like the 35 focal length, because it's not too far, it's not too close to the person, and I can actually talk to them, tell them what I want them to do and stuff like that. So it's very easy. And yo, Sigma makes some amazing lens. You get me? And yo, that sounds so good. Yeah, so Sigma makes some amazing lens, and yo, I must say that the quality from this glass is amazing. So let's go to my 135. So this 135 is from Rokinon, and Rokinon, yo, they've been doing it real good. So typically when I do a portrait session, so these two lenses are just what I work with normally. So if I want to get like a telephoto vibe, then if I want to get like a close, you get me? I don't like zoom lens overall to the portrait unless it's probably like a 70-200, but 1.8, 1.2 is really nice, trust me. And yo, the build quality of both of these lenses is really good. Rokinon, you guys did it for me, you get me? And the downfall of shooting with this 135 is like trying to communicate with who I'm shooting, the subject and stuff like that. So it's like, hey, can you like turn for me? So that's like one of the downfalls. And the separation from this, I love it. The separation from this, I love it. The separation from this, I love it. And this is just a wide perspective compared to this. So guys, if you want to like step up your portrait session or your photo game, you can actually get a 135 if it's affordable for you, or better yet, to get the 35 Lite. The 35 is always going to be my to-go focal length for majority of my portrait session, but I'll go for the 135 if I want to get that telephoto type of look. You get me? So I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.